Can move-based chains, SUI and Aptos, actually dominate the next generation of blockchains? These silent giants, built on DM legacy empowered by the secure Move language, are quietly gaining ground. With high-speed execution, developer traction, and major upgrades coming online, this could be the moment both chains turn into breakout stars. Welcome back to another episode of JRNY TV, your one-stop shop for deep dives into the projects that are shaping crypto's future. My name is Nick, and today we are going head-to-head with SUI versus Aptos, comparing their origins, Move language roots, growth metrics, and key bullish catalysts that have us excited. By the end, you'll have a very clear sense of which chain may own the Move ecosystem, or if both can share that spotlight. Let's dive in with a quick overview of each chain and where they come from. Project origins and DM legacy. Both SUI and Aptos trace their roots to Meta's original DM and Novi projects, the same Facebook-led initiatives that were shuttered in early 2022. When DM faltered under regulatory heat, two separate management teams emerged. Mistin Labs, founded by the one and only DM alumni, launched SUI, while Aptos Labs, led by Mo Shik and Avery Ching, developed Aptos. Both carried forward the initiative Move programming language originally built for secure, asset-oriented smart contracts. SUI diverged with a focus on object-centric data model, where every asset is treated as its own entity. This allowed SUI to support massively parallel transactions, even reaching theoretical throughput of hundreds of thousands of transactions per second. Meanwhile, Aptos was leaning on a block STM parallel execution engine, pushing record speeds, network reliability, and robust DeFi and trading infrastructure. What's fascinating is the shared foundation in Move, which emphasizes resource safety and formal verification, meaning programs manage scarce assets cleanly and securely. Yet each chain has taken a different architectural path. SUI is optimized for ultra-fast interactive applications like gaming, while Aptos is built for secure, high-throughput financial products and developer-safe environments. This shared lineage but distinct differentiation, it gives each chain a unique edge and helps explain why developers as well as investors still view both as potential blockchain category leaders. They're siblings from the same lineage, but racing down the track in slightly different directions. Move language and developer momentum. Let's talk about what makes SUI and Aptos so special. Move programming language and the explosive developer activity that's powering both chains. SUI has seen a developer boom in 2024 through 2025. Its latest Electric Capital report found a whopping 219% increase in monthly active developers, reaching nearly 1,400 in June. That surge was turbocharged by the SUI Overflow 2025 Hackathon, February through June, which awarded over 1 million in prizes and had more than 350 projects submitted. With commits up 125% and full-time contributors doubling, it's clear real builders are flocking to build on SUI's Move ecosystem. On the Aptos side, the platform is leveling up with serious dev tools and language improvements. In January 2025, Aptos debuted Move Compiler v2, enhancing dynamic dispatch, enums, loop labels, and gas optimizations, all backed by Move Provers on-chain verification. They also rolled out Move Madness, a DeFi-focused toolkit enabling atomic transactions and permissioned signers, which developers already happen to be praising for its turbocharged efficiency. And behind the scenes, Aptos clocked high GitHub activity, ranking as one of the top 5 most active Move ecosystems, cementing its position among the serious developer platforms. So here's the snapshot. SUI is riding a wave of community-driven builder momentum with hackathons and rapid dev growth. Aptos is focusing on toolchain strength and financial-grade infrastructure, making it a go-to chain for secure, high-performance applications. Both are playing to Move's strengths. SUI for UX-driven projects and Aptos for enterprise-level security and tooling. Recent bullish catalysts. Why SUI and Aptos are heating up. Let's catch up with the latest moves that are lighting fires under these Move chains and showing why right now could be their breakout moment. Code and price action. SUI has been on a roller coaster, kicking off June with a 150% price surge, pumping from about $1.70 to over $4.30, then correcting to around $3.30. Despite the dip, analysts are eyeing a breakout above $3.30, with bullish on-chain behavior showing 1.8 billion in TVL and nearly 1.2 billion in stablecoin supply, third among non-EVM chains. Plus, with Protocol v1.49.2, SUI unlocked new fund recovery features and congestion fixes, confidence boosters that may happen to prop the next leg up. Aptos has been rallying quietly, with APT bouncing 6 to 12% over the past week, thanks to big moves. The coin is forming Bitcoin temple support around $3.87, which could pave the way to a rally toward that $5 level. And with the bullish patterns and daily active addresses up 16%, institutional confidence is building once again. Ecosystem upgrades and partnerships. SUI launched protocol V85 with better DOS protection, faster transactions, and improved validator communication. It also rolled out SUI Hub Athens in partnership with Greek Stock Exchange, Hydropower Accelerator for 12 new dApps, and X-Bitcoin lending program with OKX. These moves highlight expanding use cases, DeFi, AI, NFTs, and real-world adoption. Aptos debuted Shelby, a decentralized hot storage network built with Jump Crypto and integrated into its layer 1. This positions Aptos not just as a transaction layer, but a data layer, ideal for AI and real-time apps. Plus, Aptos recently secured backing through Web3 partnerships and its role in Hong Kong's eHKD pilot and enterprise-level integrations. Bottom line, both chains are firing on all cylinders. SUI is riding momentum from dev activity, technical upgrades, and NFT DeFi use. Aptos is quietly beefing up tools, partnerships, and infrastructure, while price and adoption indicators show steady upward trends. And that about wraps up today's deep dive into the battle between SUI and Aptos, two of the most advanced move-powered layer 1s out there. Whether you're bullish on SUI's explosive growth, or maybe you're betting on Aptos' long-term game, either way, one thing is for sure, the Move ecosystem is heating up fast, and we are still early. These chains aren't just hype, they're laying the foundation for what could become the next generation of blockchain infrastructure. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on these projects and giving you the updates before they go mainstream. If you're serious about finding those winners in the space before they hit the front page, make sure that you are locked into the journey. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and join our community at Trade Hero to get access to our private calls, deep research, and everything that you need to stay ahead of that herd. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, stay early, and we will catch you in the next one.